Just following up from a question, with a question from Grant asking us how we should use a Fibonacci retracement. Should we use it on the time frame that we are trading, or should we use it on a higher time frame? So, Grant, generally speaking, you know that we try to keep things as simple as possible. So, as a more general rule, we tend to stick to a Fibonacci based on the time frame that we are trading. So, if I'm going to trade a day trade focused on the here and the now, I'm obviously going to look at something like the M30 or maybe even the M15 time frame, and then I'm going to use the Fibonacci that is most relevant to that specific time frame. So let's say I'm trying to take a bullish trade on the Aussie yen as an example. We have a look at this. We can see we're on the M30. Now, if I want to find a potential pullback area from this move to the upside, looking for a potential pullback, I can basically draw in the Fibonacci from the most closest swing low to the swing high, and then we can see that gives me a 50% retracement roundabout in that overall area. Now, obviously, if I'm looking for a potential swing trade on the pair, then I can use a much higher time frame, something like the H4, maybe even the H1, and then obviously that'll be a different retracement level. So let's say I'm still looking for a potential buy trade on the Aussie yen. I can use this recent swing and that move to the upside. So if we quickly draw in the fib, we can use it from that swing low to that swing high. And that means we're looking for a potential 50% retracement coming in at that overall area. So it's always best whenever you use your fib is not to overcomplicate it too much by looking at various time frames and, you know, where's the 50% on the H4 and where's it on the H1 and where's it on the M30. Normally that just complicates the trade. When you're looking for a swing trade, use it on that time frame you're trading. When you're using it for a day trade, use it on that particular time frame that you're trading. Always the simplest and easiest way to use a Fibonacci retracement.